Are you guys ready for an excellent time? For this month's giveaway, we thought it would be fun to buddy up for a good old-fashioned egg toss. The rules for this one are very simple. Contestants will toss an egg to their partner, who will then toss it back. But if anyone's egg goes splat, it's game over. And the last team standing wins. Now let's see who our teams will be. All right, let's see those eggs fly. In 3, 2, 1, toss. Three, two, one, toss. All right, 3, 2, 1, toss. 3, 2, 1, toss. Let's take a quick break so I can let you guys know of a really cool way that you can support us and it won't cost you a dime. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can keep up with all the cool stuff we're doing here. It would mean the world to us. Now let's get back to those eggs. 3, 2, 1, toss. All right, and toss. We got a winner! Congratulations, Deborah, you're this month's winner. And for everyone else whose names didn't get drawn, don't worry, there's always next month, so be sure to enter the giveaway by following the link in the description below. We'll see you guys next time.